In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook Email 2026. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Forms. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your work or school account so you can access your forms. The goal here is to grab a clean, reliable link that Outlook can present nicely in your message so everything starts inside Microsoft Forms. Next, open the form you want to share, make sure it's complete and ready for responses. This is a good moment to double check your questions, required fields, and any branching or settings you've configured. If you plan to send this to people outside your organization, confirm that your questions are understandable at a glance, since recipients will be moving from email to the form in a new tab. Now, click Collect Responses. You'll usually find this near the top right of the form editor. This opens the sending panel where Microsoft Forms prepares different sharing methods. Think of this panel as your control center for distribution and permissions. Choose the link option and copy the URL. Before you copy, take a look at the permissions just above the link. If you need to gather responses from anyone, set it to allow external respondents. If your audience is internal only, select the organization only option to keep data secure. If you see a shortened URL toggle, you can enable it for a cleaner look, which is helpful when pasting into emails. Once everything looks right, copy the link to your clipboard. Finally, head over to Outlook and paste the link into your email. Write a short introduction, explain what the form is for, and add a clear call to action such as start the survey or complete the form. If you want a more polished look, convert your call to action text into a hyperlink. Highlight the text, insert a link, and paste the Microsoft Forms URL. If you prefer a button style approach, create a simple button element in your email design, or use Outlook's formatting options to style a bold, colored call to action line, then hyperlink it with the same URL. Either way, the recipient clicks once and lands directly on your form. A quick tip: many email clients restrict fully interactive content for security, so the most reliable approach is exactly what we've done: link to the live form rather than trying to embed it directly in the message body. This keeps your survey functional across desktop, web, and mobile. That's it. You've opened Microsoft Forms, collected the share link with the right permissions, and placed it into your Outlook email as a link or a button for a smooth, professional experience.